Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another unboxing, or should I say double unboxing. In today's video, we will take a look at a brand called Seestern. Now, you may have heard of Seestern. It has been mentioned on AliExpress a couple of times, or on YouTube a couple of times, but this is a brand made in collaboration with another brand, or a sister brand to another brand called Suges or Suges. You may be familiar with them. They do a lot of Seagull ST19 watches. I'll put a link, an affiliate link, into the description box below to their store on AliExpress to check them out, and also where you can find these watches as well. I'll put a link to their website as well so you can check them out. But this has been mentioned to me a few times in the last few weeks, and now I have a couple of watches. They sent two watches in, which are the 62 Mas Homage and the Doxa Sub 300 Homage, and I'm super excited to take a look at them. Now let's get into the box and see how they look, because these are meant to be very, very good. And by the way, guys, for the specs, whoops, almost knocked the camera over there. For the specs, I don't know why I didn't open this before. They are $179, guys. Yes, $179. Now that is perfectly wrapped, by the way, I should mention. So now let me see. I don't want to cut anything because, again, I don't know what to expect. I don't know what's in here. A lot of plastic, but I like the way they packed them. Now, let me just put the knife away. Ooh. Oh yes. So, we have a couple of Pelican style case, a link remover tool, and one of these things to a spring bar remover tool, which comes in handy. You can never have too many of these things around. I think I have so many of these things that I'm like, that I don't know where where to put them, but it doesn't matter. Now, so again, Pelican style case, Seestern, the logo there. I think more and more brands are starting to go to use these box now, either bigger or smaller. That's okay. They're very, very good. They protect the watches, and you can actually put something else in them. So I don't know which one to start with first, because I don't know in which one it is. Now, let's have a look together. So that is one. Ooh, and this one is the 62 Mas. Take all the wrapping off. Oh yes, and I went for the gunmetal gray variant. Oh, this is superb. Now the thing is, guys, I've had a few 62 Mas Homages previously. I still have one in my collection at the moment, and I have to say they were very, very nice. And this one, again, it's $179. I think the best one to compare with at that price would be the Heimdallr. Now, this one lives. Let me hear the bezel. That is perfectly buttery smooth. Oh my god, that's so good. That feels so good. Now, so far, it's very, very nice inner lines. No backplay, very little backplay, but it's not even backplay, I would say. It springs back, so I'm not going to call it backplay again. And I think from looking at it first, I think the loom on this is going to be so good. And you have this rubber waffle strap, should I call it, with quick release spring bars. Very, very good. And it doesn't look super, super long. So one of the problems that I had with my previous 62 Mas Homages is that the strap was extremely long, and I don't have a big wrist. I have a 6.3 inch wrist. By the way, I am wearing my Nezumi Tonnerre today. Again, put a link into the corner of the screen for the unboxing, and stick around because the full review is coming very, very soon on the channel. So very, very nice. And I love this little tag here as well. Very nice. So far, I'm loving it. Quick release spring bars, the great wave of Kangawa on the back, screw down case back. Seiko NH35 is the movement in this automatic, very, very simple. And yeah, let's put this down. 200 meters of water resistance, I think, is as well. Perfect. Now let's get into the other one, because to be quite honest, again, and another thing that I should mention is that this one is 38 millimeters in diameter, guys. It's 38 millimeters in diameter. All the other ones that I've had, all the other 62 mass homages I had were 41, and they actually looked really, really big on my wrist. So I think 38, this will be just perfect. Now the case, I think, is around 13 and a half millimeters thick, but this is going to wear a treat. Perfect. Let me put this down and have a look in this other box, and take a look at the Doxa Sub Homage. Ooh, there it is. Ooh, so that is signed. That is beautiful. I didn't even look at these things, to be honest. I apologize, guys. So Glamour Master, I think this is the shop. Not 100% sure what this is, but Seestern. Yeah, so I think this is the shop that sells the watches. Suggest. That is signed, reference number, date of purchase, 2nd of the 9th, 2021. There's a signature there, authorized retailer. That's brilliant, brilliant. I'm so happy. Oh, this has a bit of a weight to it. Again, I was told that this beads of rice bracelet will be very, very good. Oh, yes. Oh, come on. I have to get the plastic off, guys. Stick with me. Oh my God, that dial looks spectacular. Now, I am very easily excited, but I have to say, guys, I went for this kind of, I think it's mother of pearl. I'm not 100% sure how to call it, but that looks so good. Oh, that looks so good. So this is not a push pin or anything. It's just a safety to release. Let me just get this off. And there you go, guys. I like the way that dial looks when the light hits it. This is very, very nice. That bezel as well. Now there have been homages of this particular watch of the Doxa Sub Homage. There is no backplay on this. Super grippy. Oh, look at the way that's machined. That is beautiful. Let me put this on wrist really quick. I can't wait to adjust these, and I cannot wait to wear them, honestly. Now clearly this is a bit big, but it doesn't matter. There you go, guys. Oh, I'm loving that dial. I think in this particular instance here, that dial makes such a huge difference. Obviously there's a few color options available, but this one takes it for me. I think I've never had a mother of pearl dial. If you could call it, I think it is a mother of pearl by the looks of it and by the texture. It should be. Now, as you'd expect, I think the lume on this is probably going to be really, really good as well. Now there's the bezel line. It turns quite easily though, but it's good because the clicks are very, very smooth. There's no backplay, so if you don't get it aligned properly, yeah, it aligns. It's slightly not even. No, it's not actually at all. So there you go, guys. Double unboxing, the Seestern, two Seesterns, the 62 Mass Homage and the Doxa Sub. Again, I'll put a link in the description box below, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Stick around because reviews of these two watches will be coming out very, very soon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click a like, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't so, and I will see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, by the way, because I post a lot of I try and post as much as I possibly can, a lot of photographs, watches with you. I'll write it on the screen for you guys to check it out. To follow me on Instagram, But thank you very much again for tuning in, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Look at them. Look at them.